There are a couple of things that you must remember if you are setting up these controllers. First of all, in order to support the historical data, you must have at least version 6 of the controller loaded firmware. So if you go to the service folder on the SDC controllers, you have a platform object, and on a platform object you can see there is a version. That is the version 6. So you must have at least version 6 available. Also, you must use the later CPT tool, which is later than March 2014. Otherwise, you wouldn't have a support for the historical widgets. To get this CPT tool, what you need to do is to go to the SIGSense website. So if you go to the www.SIGSense website, and you must register. If you haven't registered, then we give you then access rights to the support area. So we go to the support, and we go to the support forum, and this is where under Sedona controller range, under the software, we have this called the Sedona CPT development bundle. You download that. After the download is complete, basically if you download it now to the later than March 2014 version, you just open the downloads, and you can then find your CPT development tool. So you just need to unzip that your hard drive anywhere on a C drive, and inside that you will have the CPT development version, and you just run the cpt.exe in order to program the controllers with the historical data widgets. We also provide a firmware here, which is the version 6. So under here you have a factory defaults, and how basically what you need to do is copy this file on SD card on the FG320 folder and do a power cycle, and then that loads the factory default. Before you do that, remember always to do backup, because otherwise you will lose everything what you have done so far on a controller. So you must do the backup. There is also a little guide about how do you flash the firmware on the controllers. To do the backup, go to the Git management and click the backup button and create the folder and do a backup.